Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. Sorry for the noise. She's making noises. I'm gonna try to show you guys her and her new house and stuff. But anyways, I'm sorry, TMI. I've been on my cycle. It started early and yeah, I was not myself. I'm better. I have some I have some energy motivation, so I decided to do my Birchbox and my monthly favorites together because I don't have a lot of monthly favorites. So yeah. Okay, so I have a story for you. I don't know. I still don't know. I'm very confused. If you have a Birchbox, was your box this month came in a oops, sorry. A package box. Sorry, I showed my. Anyways, don't know why. Here's my sample that I wanted. Very good. I smelled it. Oh my god, it's so lovely. So there's that. Sorry, it's bright. I had to close some of my blinds because we still have snow. Um, it kind of melted, but some parts where the sun doesn't hit, we still have snow. Um, so yeah. So there's that. Sorry, my finger's dirty. Oh, that's gross. There. Clean that up. That was weird. Okay. Then bubble wrap. And then stupid doodad. I don't know what was Birchbox doing. This is so much. There's the box. It's that box. It's a lot of cardboard. They're still not getting their stuff, so they're just doing what they can put out. Um, I'm not mad about it. It's just hard because I'm getting the same products that I had before, and it's just a waste. Um, so far I cannot read that. And this is a join 1 hour subscriptions only Birchbox class. That's kind of cool, right there. And then the side is the doodad. It's um, for self love and stuff. Okay. I love when they don't put a doodad in sometimes. This is what I got, and I can't see it. I think I'm gonna try this again. Now knowing what it is, I'm gonna try this again. This is like my first product I ever got from Birchbox when I started 2013. I think so. Wow, it's been that long. September. Anyways, I don't know. I might keep this. I had this before. Also the lip oil. I'm definitely gonna try this out. So I had this product right here. It's the eye cream. Yeah, eye serum. It's for your under eyes and stuff. Anyways, I had this in one of my boxes. And sometimes I go through them and see if I still want to keep it or, recycle, because I'm trying to, declutter there. Anyways, I found the exact same thing in a box, in one of my boxes, and I'm like, oh, I forgot I had that. So I'm going to try this out, a fresh one this time, so I'm going to keep that. I'm not going to keep this. I'm just going to, so I'm going to keep in one thing, and yeah, I'm not showing you the prices because I had these things. If it was something new for me, I would tell you the price. But Birchbox is having. I know everybody's having problems of getting stuff. So I'm not worried about it. I'm just being patient and waiting. Um, so yeah, that's that. I know, not very exciting, except, the perfume. Oh, perfume. I can tell you the price of the perfume because this is the first time if I can. Okay, the perfume full size is $28. And just in case you just want to recap, both, see which one. This is $24. This one here is $16. This here, the Balance Me is $29. That, what am I? Whoa, hold up. Oh, excuse me. This is not the right price. This here is $28. Hang on. Okay, you don't give me the price on the fragrance oil? You don't give me a price on it? Okay, cool, Birchbox. You just won the weirdest award ever. For this eye serum is $50. Wow, that's $50. Wow, expensive. So I don't know how much this is, but yeah. So this is the paper that I was looking at. Let's see. Oops. No. Okay, good. Let's see. Anything else? No. No. Okay. My information is on here. So this is, like a shipping thing. Yeah, it doesn't tell me how much the fragrance is. So I'm like, oh, cool. Moving on. Let's just move on. That was just depressing. Okay. Moving on, my February favorites. So, yeah. Anyways, this has been my February favorite. Um, it lights up. It has batteries in it. Oh, it's so beautiful at night. And then, of course, my ring light. I'm actually gonna not turn that on because I don't know. Anyway, my ring light. So it works good. This was from Christmas. Um, Walmart had them, and my mom saw it. Um, and I saw it too, but I didn't know she was gonna buy it. But it works good. Um, so I'm impressed. Something from Walmart like that is really good. I don't know how much it was though, but yeah. Some Valentine things I got. I got this for my boss. I exchanged a cupcake candle that my sister gave me, and it was a red velvet. It probably doesn't smell, but it's still pretty to look at. And then I gave her daughter my big hippo Valentine's stuffed animal because I'm trying to just slowly decluttering in that closet storage thing I have. So I just felt really generous, and she loved it. Anyways, and I got a bumbled snowman. So he's my favorite. My mom found him at Rite Aid. Mix of stuff to try to get rid of. And then for actual Valentine from my mom, or from my mom. My dad didn't give me anything. Oh, excuse me, let's scratch that. He Facebook Messenger me a heart. Yeah, okay. They didn't say Happy Valentine's to me, but okay, I love you. Anyways, this is from my mom. I love my gnomes. So, yeah, that's that. Alright, and then, of course, my slippies. I've been wearing them nonstop since Christmas. Alright, so, I'm going to show her last, but there's one thing we needed to get. So, we got this recently, but it's really good. I don't want to share it. It's this car vacuum, um, or you can do it at home. This little guy does not. I'll show you. I'll show you. So, excuse the little mess, but I tried to vacuum. I think a couple days ago, because my mom, of course, I was vacuuming these little things on the floor. Does not like this part. Does not like the carpet. And maybe for like a rug or so, but I'm gonna take this off. So this would probably be good on not for carpet, but maybe other floors. So just to warn you, still good, still good. I'm still working on this guy, but everything else it comes with other attachments. It comes with, so it's just this guy. Excuse me, it's a little dirty. It comes with this guy, the hose, and the little doodads for attachment. It comes with two pulls. It comes with this guy and this guy. I wish this was a little bit wider to really get big items or so. But it works really good. So that's a plus, even though that vacuum part does not want to work. But that's okay. That's okay. Everything works. It really, has a hard suction. I know that's kind of awkward to say. Anyways, but it's really good. I really do recommend it for your car or little messes, especially if you have a creature to clean up. It's easy to clean up. So yeah, that's great. Let's see, anything else? Oh, my blanket from Christmas been my favorite because it's been so cold. I curl up in it or take a nap. My heater, of course. Yeah, I think that's it. So, bear with me. This is my first time uh, showing another animal in a different way. So, just slightly bear with me. I'm going to take you off. Sorry, there's a little bit of movement here. Oops, sorry. And then do this. So, this is, she's in there. Her name is Gracie, and the vacuum I used the black hose to clean the top, so I could pull that up the little ramp, and if you can see, kind of over there, she chewed the corner piece of that little tab that's right there. That goes right there in that slot. So I shift it and I clean. So it needs to be clean again, but slightly messy. Don't worry. Anyways, so we got this at PetSmart. Yes, PetSmart. My mom did. You turn it around, and in the back of it, is a little push tab, and you pulled out this drawer and to clean and stuff, so it's easy because she's a kicker. Her house that she had was not a very good house for her. Backstory of her is that this guy, I don't know if older, younger, whichever. Anyways, let's just say a young man or just a gentleman. Let's just say gentleman. Had her, didn't really take good care of her. She's healthy. She had nothing wrong with her. Mom made sure before getting her to, anyways, um, so she did come with a few things that my mom had to buy, few other things. So TMI, the little like sweetgrass or so that goes in here. This stuff we got for her, so she has a blast. He decided that's her bedding. Um, Sweetgrass, they eat. So luckily she survived. Um, but yeah, it was a hot mess. Mom had to clean it as best she can and stuff. But luckily she likes this. And it's enough space. See, enough space so I can still be at my desk and stuff. So let's see if I can get her. Gracie. Sorry if I talk too loud. Alright, she's probably in there. In there. Let's see. Oh, she's asleep. Ugh. Maybe next time or so I'll take a picture so you can see her. But this is her new house. She's a gerbil. She is our second gerbil we had. Our first one was a male. Long time ago when we were living in a different town. And he was a chewer to the point that I call him Chewy because he almost chewed himself out of what they used to have. I don't know if they still have them. Those boxes that they come in, those little carriers. He almost chewed his way out of it. So yeah. Anyway, so this is her new home. And stuff. I might need to put some more food and stuff. So we use a food dish because this food thing here, yeah, I don't know why it's such a big item, such a big thing, but it does not hold those. So we don't use it. There's our water. So yeah, that's our house. And yeah. I think that's about it. So I'm going to just leave it right here. And I hope you guys like this video. And I'm very depressed on Birchbox this month. Hopefully next month will be a little bit better. And I hope I'm not getting that whole shebang of cardboard because that's ridiculous. Anyways, I love you guys. Be safe. And yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification for more videos. And I really will try my best to make videos. I'm just in a rough patch still, but she's making me happy, and I'm very thankful that I have her in my life. So yeah, okay.